All right, today we are in Europa Park, which is an amusement park in Germany. The background song in the video will be John Parr, St. Elmo's Fire. Europa Park is in Rust, Germany. It borders France and Germany. Many websites have Europa Park top 2 or 3 in Europe. This website, EuropeanDestinations.com, has Europa Park number 3. The park is split up into many countries. And so, for example, this is Greece. But there's like other countries like Germany and, whoa, look at all that beer. Germans, they love to drink. But yeah, split into many countries like Belgium and the Netherlands. So at first glance, looks like a ripoff of Disney World. There's the Epcot ball, and their mascot is a mouse, like Mickey Mouse. All that aside, this park is badass. There's a lot of attractions like roller coasters and water rides. Being that this was summer, the ride lines took about 30 to 45 minutes, which isn't too bad, but I mean, if you want to do everything in a day, it was hard. Many thanks to the Cheever family for inviting us to join them at Europa Park. We had a lot of fun, and I'm gonna end with some French band.